guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm excited to share with you the bags that I got and I regretted, and the bags I should have gotten instead of it. Now, I am a person who got obsessed with designer bags in such an instant, and I've been obsessed with a lot of them, a lot of the designs, the colors, and how they look on fashion, because I do really enjoy fashion. And so that's why I kind of had a lot of trigger points in my life, and I wish I've never gotten it, and that's why right now I'm actually more careful at what bags I'm actually purchasing. And for this year, actually, I don't plan on getting any new bags at all, unless someone has gifted me a bag. Then great, of course, thank you, and I'll take care of it. But so far with me, I tend to stop right now getting bags because I have so many regret bags that I still wear and I still have enjoyed them, but not as much as the bag that I should have gotten instead, because I was like overexcited, like I wanted to try colors, I wanted to try this one and maybe this one, and then I just regretted it so much. And now I don't know, but I'm still using it. I mean, right now I've been using a lot of my bags lately. Whenever I go out, I tend to wear a different kind of bag. I tend to flaunt different kind, because since I'm in the tropical countries, it's kind of easy to actually flaunt different kind of bags and different kind of styles, because it's not really hot, it's not really cold here for you to like choose, oh, this kind of outfit is better, like that. So I can easily flaunt it. So let's get into it. Let's stop with the jibber jabber and start with the smallest bag. Now, there was a year, I think this was 2020 or 2021, I've been obsessed with green, like specifically a green bag. And I fell in love with this one from Valeria Lipovetsky. Her bag, her green bag, that's like the army green bag that's in such a really nice color. And I think I have a bag that has a similar to that, but it's not in a Chanel design. So I got this one. This is a nice matcha bag, in a matcha green bag, which is really so cute, I know. And I've used it already, so I've gotten so much use out of this one, because I had a tendency before to just bring a small bag. So I did use this a lot, but I regretted it so much because it's not as a favorite of mine compared to the other bag that I could have gotten instead, and I never achieved getting that kind of shade of green bag. So instead of this one, when I found the bag that could have been a better mini Chanel kind of dupe bag compared to this one, I should have bought it instead, or I should have waited instead of settling for trying out this kind of bag, which is honestly, it was also the shop's kind of fault, because I saw it and it was a different color from this. So yeah, when I was expecting, it wasn't this one. It wasn't also lighter color, because it was flaunting a darker color. So I was lucky enough to get this one because I love this bag. So this is in the Periwinkle blue. It's also the kind of square flap dupe bag, and I love it so much. See, I've used this a couple of times, like really so much, and this one seems better because I've used this really a lot, and it's really held its place. I'm sorry, but I couldn't find the shop where I got this. I regretted it as well on not getting more colors from that shop, because the quality held up really great. It's been great for so many years, and honestly, I would rebuy this bag. Now, this bag for me is way easier because I tend to use actually blue more, because I was like obsessed with literally that green bag, but I couldn't achieve it. But with blue, there's so many versatile kind of blues that I love enjoying wearing. So why did I just pull a trigger from a green bag when I could have just bought a blue bag? So this one in Periwinkle blue, I love it so much. It's in a beautiful mini color. I tend to enjoy wearing this in either winter months or winter seasons, or summer and spring, because it's such a beautiful happy color, and it's very vibrant honestly, and the gold on it is so beautiful as well. I would highly recommend getting this bag. Hopefully I'll try to find a similar to this, or I think I found a leather type of bag from this, because this is just a PU leather, so this is not like a leather that's going to, you know, be hassle for you. So when I'm going to recommend to you guys is the leather itself, so I am going to link it down below. So yeah, I like this one. Now, I've been obsessed with Chanel dupes lately, or actually for a couple of years already. Like I said, these bags have been with me for a couple of years already. It's been a long while that I've been collecting and suddenly triggering, but then I tried to tone down for the recent years. So I got this bag first. So this is the dupe of the Chanel 19 bag. I love this so much. It's such a beautiful color. It's yellow, but I couldn't wear it as much as the bag that I should have gotten first instead. So this one has worn really, really badly. I don't know why, but I've worn them almost the same time that I worn it so much. But this one has worn badly, and I don't know why. But maybe because when I got the new one, I stopped using this one. Because it's been a couple of years or a couple of months before I opted to get the other one. So this one is in the Chanel 19. The only thing is this one doesn't have the back flap or the back pocket. So this one is big enough. It has also the long strap here. And then see, as you can see here, it's worn really badly. Like it's peeling really badly. I'm so sorry that I'm showing to you, but that's what I have to warn you guys. You have to really take care of a bag and manage it, because here in the tropical countries it's also really, really hot. So it then bags tend to get age quicker unless you're always in an air-conditioned area, which that's not where my bags are always in. That's why I was able to luckily have a dehumidifier, so thank you for that, my hubby. So this one is a regret for me because yes, I think right now I realize I don't often go to yellow bags. I don't lean into it to a like pale yellow, to like one of my Dior inspired bags. I have that like a really, really pale yellow. It's almost off-white. Then of course great, I do wear it. But this one, no, I don't wear it much anymore since I got the other one. Now, the other one that I got is this one. So this is what I supposedly should have bought, because this one I've worn it constantly since I got it. It's beautiful. It's an off-white color. It's close to the cream, like what a real cream looks like. And this one has a zipper style and it has a nice bag strap here, and it matches also the dark hardware, because the other one doesn't have the mix match hardware. It just has the gold one. This one has the mismatch hardware, which there's gold, whereas there's dark, and there's silver. And then there's also a zipper pocket there, and then also a nice burgundy color inside interior. So this one is what I should have bought first instead of trying out a different color, because I said, oh, I might not see this color anymore. That's why I got it. That's like one of the reasons why also I've gotten some of these bag regrets, because I like the color and I thought I would be able to use it, but I guess not. I became a person who likes neutrals, and mainly my color that I love so much is a red bag. So that's kind of like a regret for me. So this one has been a favorite. Now, that's what I wanted to suggest to you guys also, is opt for a bag that's easier to pair with a lot of your outfits if you're gonna try it out, instead of a bag that has a different crazy color that you really like, but you won't be able to pair it easily with any of your outfits because you won't be able to use it, so you won't make the most out of your money. So that's the bag that I opt for. So I'm trying to, let's see if I could display the bags that I enjoyed more. So when I came to that, I had an obsession with, you know, a beautiful blue bag. So I thought I opt to get a sudden bag also. Yes, this is one of my regrets. It's not like super regret, okay? Because I could have bought something else. It would be better than this one, but I got this one first. I thought that, oh, it's so unique. It's such a nice color. It's so different. I think I'll be able to use it a lot. But no, I wasn't able to use it a lot until I was already on construction site that I need to bring a big bag. Excuse me. So this one, when it was like a work bag, this has become a work bag because I was able to wear more neutrals, because I tried to wear more neutrals. But then this shouldn't have been my target first. Now, the target that I wanted, this like super crazy because it's super different, is this blue, but I couldn't find it in a Birkin dupe. So this one is a Kelly inspired dupe in a nice blue color. I think this is blue Celeste. I am not quite sure there. Don't quote me on that, but yes, that's like my guess because I've seen a blue Celeste and it's so much similar to this one. It's such a nice blue color. Look at that. It's a light color blue, but I couldn't find it in a Birkin dupe. So I'm happy with finding it in a Kelly in a smaller size because it's very convenient. And then with this, yes, it has a long strap also, and yeah, I pretty much love this. I've been constantly wearing this because white has become my uniform already. I've become like one of those influencers that white is my uniform. But this one matches so well with it. It has a nice muted gold hardware. I think this is, if you're going to go with the bag department, I think this is like a white gold look because it's so nice. It's not too flashy gold, and it really matches with the twilly that I found. Look at that, it has like a little blue there, and then this one almost matches the gold hardware of it. So yes, I like this. Plus it has 4 feet, so I wish I got it this more because I've used this more than I've used this one that got stuck a few years since I got the other one. Now, going to that also, there's also one bag that I wish I didn't get, and I've gotten the other one instead. So, this might be a shock, but there's a story to this. Now, I love Mel in Melbourne. I love her videos. I love watching her. And I saw her bag. I forgot what color that was. Gray tortorelle. So, sorry if I'm butchering that, but yes, it's gray tortorelle. And I thought it was this. Okay, it was a different color when it was showing. So I got this one. I ordered this one, and I somehow regretted it before because I wish I gotten the other one. So the Great Tortoise is like a beigey, almost off-white color, but then I thought it was like gray. It was like gray, but then this was a cool tone gray. So I kind of regret it there because it's harder for me to pair a gray bag compared to the bag I'm going to show you that I should have bought instead. That is like my constant uniform. So this one, I still love it. I still do wear it, especially during the times that I work in construction. I do enjoy wearing it, but in the original state, I should have gotten the one that I'm going to show you, which is this beautiful off-white Birkin dupe bag. Now, this is what I should have gotten. I mean, literally, I wish I could have gotten this one first because this one I've used so much. It hasn't worn as bad as the other Birkin dupes that I have, which is really crazy. It also has the side long strap, and it also has the same black hole kind of type, but this one is so easier to pair with everything. It looks elegant when you wear it, when you bring it. It looks elegant on itself, on its own. So I could have gotten this one first instead of trying out other crazy colors. So that's like a regret. Then one more crazy color of a Birkin dupe that I got instead of getting the other one is, see, I have so much. Like seriously, you guys haven't seen a couple of my bags already in up close. So this one, it's a shocking, right? That I regret buying this, but hear me out. I could have gotten something more similar or more classic. They have so many two-tones, like 4 options of the two-tone color bags, and I could have gotten the other one, which is I think the beigey with black or the black with brown combination, because it's so easier for me as a work bag. Now this one has become my like girly bag before because it's like a very nice pink, and then this one is nice green, but I think it's like so, I don't know, I couldn't find it. It's not as youthful for me to like flaunt on. I mean, I tend to be a bit more picky when I wear this bag rather than the other bags, or rather than the other bag that I could have gotten instead. That it took me a few years to find, or to actually come upon, pass by upon, because I don't really like just look and browse to get another bag. No. But yes, I could have gotten this one instead. And this one has been an obsession, which is this one, which is a full-on pink bag. I'm not a person who like goes on with a pink bag, but with this Birkin dupe, yes, like super elegant, super cute, super adorable. Like when I feel like girly, I just bring this one. And with the gold hardware, this one looks so nice, looks so elegant to look at. I mean, seriously, this one also has the same bag straps at the back instead. Same with the green and pink duo. So I could have gotten this one. This is easier to pair. It's much more youthful and more vibrant, and it goes with a lot of my outfits. Instead of the other one with the green and pink, that's kind of harder for me to pair when it comes to me, okay? But yeah, I could have gotten this one. This is so elegant, it's so beautiful, and it wore up nicely, and I love wearing it and bringing it when I have also my baby girl. I mean, it's like so cute to look at. Now, let's go to a bit of a, the Kelly side. Or I did show you a Kelly side, but this one is, I thought I was gonna love it. I really thought, because everybody loves it. It's the Kelly dupe in black, and honestly, this is my least used Kelly inspired bag, cause I really barely use a black bag. I don't know why. I'm so sorry, but this is not my go-to at all. I really don't like it. I don't like wearing it as much. I tend to wear it now for like, if I'm just going to like a quick one, then just bring this one instead. That has become this bag. But maybe it's because I don't like it on a plane. I'm not quite sure about that. Maybe if I got it in like this box leather, that I'm obsessed with Joshua Lu. She has this box leather Kelly bag, and it looks so stunning that I might think of getting it in that one, in that leather. But right now, I really am stopping on getting black bags. I think I prefer my Lady Dior dupe instead of this one, using it, because I don't know why. I just really don't know why. I just think that this black Kelly is not for me. But yeah, when I find out that they have another option, which I wish I have gotten instead of trying this black one, is, let me put this one here, is, yes, the red one. Yes, they're the same. They're same material. They're the same, like literally the same. But I could have gotten the red one instead. Like, why was I so afraid? But I use this more. Like, seriously, I use this more. This one is like so clean because I use it a lot. I use it often. I use it when I go out and everything. And I wish I've gotten it more because it's so easier to pair. I don't know why, it's just easier for me to pair a red bag than a black bag, which is crazy because I guess, yeah, there was a story of this. I had some back before, so many years ago. I have so many black bags, like literally 63 black bags. I'm not joking with it. I literally counted them before because I like was so overwhelmed with so many black bags. That's why I kind of like got purged from black bags, because I like couldn't use it as much, so I stopped using black bags. I literally do. So that was like a regret getting a black bag. I don't know why. I'm thinking, I don't know if I'll be able to sell them. Let me know down below. This has been a lengthy video already, but finally it's done. Finally it's done, and I hope you guys like the video. I know it's kind of long, but I did explain to you guys a bit of why I regretted them and I wish I gotten this one instead. But I still love them. I still love collecting bags, and I still appreciate the art and the look of them. So yes, I hope you like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe down below. Don't forget to, let me know what bag here the most you like more that I regretted, or the bags that I should have gotten that you like more. And I hope you guys see you in the next one. Bye!